Well, today we have here what is this device to which we are going to be able to recover it. Since this device was left with a screen lock, as well that we no longer know this lock what are we going to do? Well, in this video tutorial we are going to explain step by step how to recover your device if it has this lock what we are going to do first of all is turn off our phone. But it allows us to turn it off. Previously these methods are always done via PC. But in this video tutorial I am going to bring you a method without a PC. What are we going to do? Well, in this video tutorial we are going to need what is a USB-C cable with both inputs that have the same input. Well, no, nowadays new phones come with this USB-C cable with the same input, and what else are we going to use? We are going to use what is another additional phone, and we are going to connect what is the phone. We connect the phone, the other phone, and connect this one. We are going to wait for it to show the charge, to show us that charge. That charge, as you can see, if the charge does not appear, then what you do is flip the cable. Flip it, and if it does not appear either, then you put this one here in the other phone and the other phone. Put it here, if not flip it again, that yes it has to work. When that time has passed, then what we are going to do is press the power button, volume down button at the same time. When our phone turns off, we go. When our phone turns off, we release the volume down button, holding the volume up button, we go now. If we release the volume down, we release the volume up now. When it shows us the logo, we are going to release the power button to be able to enter what is that recovery mode now. We release a power button now. What we are going to wait for is for our phone to enter recovery mode. When it enters recovery mode, we are going to disconnect it. Disconnect it, and now we are going to select this option that says Whip Data Factory Preset. We select with power. Go down and click where it says Factory Data Reset or Reset Settings. There we are going to give here it is. When we see these letters, it is because our phone has been established. All that information that our phone has been deleted. Now to restart our phone, we are going to give it in the first option with the power button. This would restart our phone. Here what we are going to do is take off restart so that we can then configure it. Well, I am going to pause for a moment what this video tutorial is. Since always when we reset our phone, we are left with some errors, and what else to correct these errors? Well, let's pause our video until we reach the beginning. We return again. Well, since our phone completely restarted, padlock that appears here on the left side top part, it is because it has the Gmail account of the Google account. For that we are going to leave a method in the description of the video or in the first fixed area.